Hello Starry-Salvin Lovers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Big Starry. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Stpp as Villa in your laundry bar soap. That is my Stpp I dissolve inside my lye solution. You can choose to dissolve in small amount of water before you add your lye solution, but normally I do dissolve mine inside my lye solution. So now I'm pouring in my PKO palm kernel oil into my lye solution. You can use any oil of your choice. I like using PKO, and I stir properly to have my soap batter. Okay guys, I'll drop the measurement of oil, water, caustic soda for you at the end of this video, so please watch till the end. I stir properly, and now I'm adding my sodium silicate. I'm adding sodium silicate for it to be very hard, and it will give my bar soap this shiny look. Yes, have you seen the soap batter have changed? I love using silicate in my laundry bar soap. And I'm using 3 colors here. I was supposed to do a multi-color bar soap, but along the line I got distracted and my soap batter almost got hardened up, so I changed my mind. But then I'll still use my color, what I dissolve. Yes, I will not waste it. So I divided my soap batter into 3 and I add my color. I used pink, orange and yellow color. Have you seen my pink? The pink is pinking, and this is my, I think, yes, that was my yellow color, and I stir properly. Yes, if it was to be multi-purpose multicolor, sorry, that I planned, you should not allow it to thicken this way. I think I'll still drop the video. I'll do another video for that. That was the plan here, but I got distracted. Something happened, so I needed to attend to it. Have you seen it? My soap batter is already forming trace, so I'll just do it as normal laundry soap using my Stpp. So if you're using Stpp, this is the exact method you're going to use. Have you seen? And I'm using disposable plate as one of my mold, and then I use my silicone mold to have different bars. Please guys, if this is your first time with me, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video, guys. And then our soap class is coming up on June, and it will be so mind-blowing. Everything you need to know about soap making, I'll be teaching in that class, so get ready to join us. By God's grace, the official flyer will be out very soon, and please follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you so much. Have you seen our soap batter? The soap it looks rough, but then it's very foamy and it's very nice, guys. I think before I do this voice over, I've sold 2. Okay, I sold 3. I have 2 bars left, plus the one I used the disposable plate. So if you have any question in soap making, you can ask me on the comment section, and I'll always be here to answer. I have different videos on soap making here, and I'm still planning to do more. This is the outcome, guys. Have you seen it? It was not really smooth as my soap, but then it is very foamy and I love it so much. Please, if you've watched till this point, don't forget to subscribe and then screenshot the measurement so you try. Bye, and see you on the next video.